I'm an expert at this, don't worry.
Dude, you're getting close to cars. Don't hit the cars. Just don't hit me with this thing.
I'm gonna go to the top of that mountain over there. It's like super windy here. I gotta be careful.
You better not lose the drone. I don't want to hike up the mountain to find it.
You see that? You see that thing on the mountain? It looks like a climber. There's like legit a guy climbing on the rocks at the top of this mountain. I'm gonna go investigate it.
A climber? I don't see anything. There's no climber. I don't see nothing up there.
He's there. Maybe he needs help. I'll go check it out. Oh, what? He just jumped off the cliff. He literally just jumped over the rocks. I can't go any higher to see what's going on. It's like an air restricted zone. It won't let me go any higher. Maybe he'll see the drone and look over the rocks. Ah! It's a Chupacabra! It's gonna eat the drone! I gotta put it in sport mode. I gotta get out of here. It's gonna eat the drone! Dad, grab the drone! Grab the drone! Grab it! Wait, Dad, point the drone at your face.
Point the drone at my face? For what?
Run! Shut the door! Shut the door! Did you see it now?
Whoa! What was that?
I told you it was the Chupacabra!
Chupacabra? Why did you attract the Chupacabra with your drone?
I didn't know that was something I had to worry about.
Well, we gotta use the drone to lure it away from here.
I want my drone still.
Do you want to get your drone or do you want to be eaten?
Honestly, get my drone.
Okay, where's your drone?
Out there.
Well, why did you leave it out there?
I wasn't planning for a Chupacabra to come.
Well, you gotta go get it.
I'm not going out there.
I'll buy you the drone.
Oh, all right. Okay, it better be a better drone. I'm going. That was the easiest drone I've ever earned.
Okay, here's the plan. Get the drone, fly it outside, get its attention, fly all the way to the mountain, crash land in the mountain, Chupacabra's up there, done.
It's gonna be so sad to crash land my drone. But it'll be fun though. Open the back door!
All right.
Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna go really fast because I know this thing's gonna jump scare me. Alright, and here we go. Side of the house is clear, and I'm gonna hide behind these trash cans real fast. Alright, street is clear. I'm gonna continue on the other side of the house. Come on, buddy. Just follow me. There's a drone here. It makes you angry. You can't catch me. I'm too fast for you. No, I really don't think it's here. It's still out there.
Oh, great. Now what?
We need a new plan.
What if we got like a water gun?
Nope, we already thought of that idea. Where's Ethan in all of this?
He's at his friend's. Actually, he should be walking home right now. He wanted me to pick him up, but I'm not going to go pick him up. Why don't you give him a call?
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, are you on your way home?
Yeah, I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
No dinner tonight. We gotta protect the house.
What? What does that mean?
The Chupacabra is stalking our house.
Cole, quit messing around. What is for dinner?
Wait, Dad, I got an idea. Ethan, don't get eaten. Bye.
What? Hello? Oh, that's Chupacabra.
Hey Dad, we need a big box, some string, and some food. Let's go get it.
For what? The trap?
Am I seeing things? I don't. Oh. I don't think I'm seeing things. It's gone. Thank goodness.
What does a chupacabra eat?
Goats.
Well, I don't got no goats. I got salami though.
Close enough.
Oh my god. Where are my keys? Huh? Why is there salami on the ground? Why is there salami up the stairs? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I wonder where this string could go.
Shh, I think I hear something.
I can feel the string moving.
That is the dumbest. What are you doing?
Sorry, we thought you were the chupacabra.
Well, I kind of thought he wasn't, but I still wanted to shoot him.
This trap is the worst trap I've ever seen. Like, what is this? You gotta be a little more creative than this. Like, what doesn't even fit in there?
Did you pull the string?
I didn't pull the string. Did you pull the string?
No. Do you think there's possibly like trash? I think it escaped.
What gave you that impression?
You think it'll come back?
Hey, my drone is on. Well, that was fun.